Okay, so welcome to the final part of the tutorial. This is basically the text part. I'm not really going to explain much of this because there's so many text tutorials out there and I have a lot on my website that you guys can check. It's basically the same for banners. First off, you want to just type out your text and color it any way that you want to. In order to do the text gradient like I'm doing, I'm not actually doing a gradient, I'm just basically getting the colors from the gradient, which this is how I do it. I basically just type out how many letters my site name is, and this is like 9, so it's going to be 9 by 1. Or if yours was like 14 letters and 14 by 1. And you get your gradient and you basically lay it down, and then you just get your color dropper tool and you just take each individual block and you put it into your color palette. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to duplicate my text. If you want to see what font I'm using, I believe it's Happy Serif. I think I might show it in a second. Yeah, there we go. And so like I said, I'm going to rasterize my layer first. Right click and then rasterize type. Then I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to drag my duplicated layer below, and I'm actually going to use a style that I already have saved just to save me time. I'll probably upload it. If not, I'm pretty sure you get the basic concept. Kristen actually has a tutorial on her website, which is Sugar Pie, that you can check out, and it's basically the same text. So I'm just pretty much editing this to my liking. One thing that I kind of added to this text is I kind of like use a lighter layer above, and then I just move it down and to the left a little bit, which you'll see in a second. It kind of gives it like this really cool effect. So yeah. Yeah, then I'll move that layer down and then to the left a little. And I also use the style for the top layer, which I'll upload for you if you want it. If it's requested, I'll upload it. If not, then I won't upload it. Just merging it down and adding my grunge pattern. Actually, I think I added my dots. Yeah, my dot pattern first. I set that to 10 pixels in screen. And then I added my grunge pattern on a different layer. And I'm going to merge that down. I'm going to do a 1 pixel stroke of the gray. I'm going to make a new layer, and then I'm going to merge that down. And then this time I'm going to do a 2 pixel gradient stroke. Then I'm going to make an additional layer, merge that down into it. I'm going to do a 1 pixel stroke of the dot scanline pattern. And I'm going to add a drop shadow. You want to make sure that your opacity is set to 100, which you'll see me go back and do right now. Right there. It just helps the drop shadow to show up better. And that's pretty much it. So That's it for this preppy sewing tutorial, and if you have any questions or you get stuck or anything like that, make sure you let me know. We have a help Tumblr, which is girly themes with an extra S at the end, .tumblr.com. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.